Recently did a head gasket job on this ZS with help from my friend at the garage. And now it needs to go up for sale. But there's just one slight issue at the moment, and that is this. Can't really sell it like that, can I? So I need to try and fix it. It's got a broken lug at the back there, that's missing. Now I've got an idea. So what I have here is just a piece of plastic, a lug off another bumper, and some epoxy resin, which, reading the instructions, doesn't say anything about it not being able to stick ABS plastic. So the epoxy resin nicely mixed up and the new lug glued to the bumper like that, stuck in place with a clamp, and that there, because I don't particularly want any scratches on the paint. I'll leave that in place for about half an hour and then see whether I've been a complete idiot for thinking it'll work. Really, it's time I should have another cup of tea, I think. That's been about half an hour, and I've removed the alternator out of this. Probably a lot longer than half an hour, to be honest. I know it should be a 10-minute job. Well, here's where we find out if I've been smart or just a fool. And it's worked! Yay! I fixed something! I fixed something! I'm happy about that! Way!